Hi, this is Antje from DASS-Erasmus again, and today I'm going to show you a digital pinboard tool, which is German-based. The company is in Germany, the servers are in Germany, and it's absolutely data safe, which makes it perfect for the classroom. But you can also use it for meetings, organization, and so on. It's very versatile. As you can see here, this is the starting point. It's all in German. Surprise, surprise. And it basically explains what you can do with it, what the licenses are, and so on. I would like to show you first the prices because TaskCard has a selection of licenses and you have to choose which ones you need. A free license means you can only do 2 pinboards. Basic or Pro are based on the idea that you are a non-profit organization or a school or university. You have to prove that with €30 in a year, you can have 6 pinboards. With 60, you have all the pinboards you like or need. You can, with both licenses, you can add members to your license, which makes it important for school. Let's move back to the starting point and I show you what TaskCards can look like. I show you my pinboards first. Here you go. So this is, for instance, a folder. The folder is called English 12, and here I've got 3 pinboards which I use in the English classroom. One deals with the short story My Son the Fanatic. You can see here that we have characterized the 2 protagonists and all the students have written something because you can all write on the pinboard when you've shared it, as you can do here, as you can see, but I'll show that later. Another option is to work on your learning progress. And here you can see how my students actually wrote down what they have done in the lessons. So it was a kind of group work thing that they worked on. It was a bigger thing. It was a unit, and they had to document their work process, as you can see here. Now I would like to show you how this works. If I go back to my page or my Pinwände, you can see here I've got the options of having folders, or I have the options of having all my single pinboards here. And you see it's very colorful, so you can do a lot with these pinboards. If you want to create a new pinboard, you simply click on the plus down here, right-hand bottom corner. Then you have 2 options. You can either create a single pinboard, which is what we're going to do now, or you can create a folder where you put your pinboards in for structure. If I click on the pinboard, I get this window and it says give the pinboard a name, and I give it the name Erasmus, and then I say this is to show how it works. And then I can choose a color for the background. For instance, green, which I will do now. I can also choose a picture. So any picture I like, I can upload, and then this will be the background. I can also say, oh, I would like to have a kind of, wishy-washy color. So I say this is nicer and I save it now. Here I can decide whether you scroll the whole page or you scroll just a list. In a list, basically, here I can say where should the new posts be placed. At the bottom, at the beginning. I can even choose an animation if I like. I can do more things like the size of the cards. I can allow comments, which is also quite nice. I can change the text into another writing type like cursive, which I like. Here I can either show my name or I can leave it anonymous. I can make the pinboard copyable if I like. And here it's set on private Pinboard, which is also very important. It should be private. And then you can share the link with people who should actually work on this Pinboard. So you have to save it all. And then here you've got your Pinboard, and then it gives you the option to do it like a week plan with Monday and so on, but I don't want to do that now. So I say, no, thank you. And I have a list here. So here you can see Erasmus. This is to show how it works. And with a plus, I can say first day or something. Oops, yes. And then I say here, for instance, online meeting with, and then I can say, if I click on it again, here I can click on it again, and then I can work on it. I can change the color again if I like, red. I can do other things, as you can see, and I can also put something on it. I can also do that if I simply click on it, and then I have the option to upload thingies here directly. For instance, I want to upload an image. Let me choose this one. And here you can see me in Ireland. We just went on a class trip and made some mug shots. Oh, it should show now. Yes, it does. Yeah. So if I click on here, I can also change the description. Sorry. Here is the description. I just copied and pasted something. It means in German you can create pinboards and stuff like that. I just wanted to show you how it works. So here again, I can change the color if you like. I can put a link in. Very important, if you put links in, you have to do it via this link because otherwise they're not linked. You just have the text. You can copy this card if you like, then you have it again. Yeah. And you can create lots of posts, as you can see with all the pluses here, or create another list. You can also do other things with TaskCards, but that's basically the main thing you can do. And I think it's very, very nice because you can just simply share the link. I show you. You can share the link here. And it says new access. And then you decide whether people should only read or be able to write. So I say, oh, they should write, you know. You can again say, should this pinboard be copyable? Do you allow files? Yes, I do. And then I say allgemein, fine. I don't need a name or anything, although it says it here. I save it, and then I have a link here, and it says those people who have the link are allowed to write. I can have a QR code if I like, which I can download, or I have the link here, which I can share. That's basically it. I think TaskCards is a very, very good tool for the classroom, and I'm using it very, very much. So I can highly recommend it. Thank you very much.